Happy Friday, Timber Ridge Timberwolves, and I'm coming to you this morning from my house, because where else would I be? And I am excited that it's Friday, and I know you guys are too, and looking forward to a beautiful day. And I want to talk to you today about our character word, which is perseverance. Perseverance is doing something despite difficulty. That could be like our school logo right now. Everything we're doing seems to be a little more difficult and a little more challenging, but we have to persevere to get through these challenging times, and we will come out successful on the other side. Gracie wants to hold my hand. So when I was thinking about perseverance, I thought of hope. And so I want to do a week of hope next week, because in order to be hopeful, it gets us through to the next day. So each day next week, I want you to do something to give a little bit of hope to the people around you. All right, listen up. On Monday, I want you to go find a rock in your yard, and I want you to write a message on it of hope, and then put it in your neighbor's yard or in their mailbox or by their front door, or put it somewhere, maybe in your mailbox for your mailman. But something hopeful. I just found a rock in my yard, and I put the word together on it, and then I just found some Sharpies and decorated it. Okay, so Monday's going to be Scribble Rock Monday. All right, Tuesday is going to be T-shirt Tuesday. On Tuesday, I want you to either make a T-shirt or find something already in your closet that has a hopeful message. I found my happy sweater and put it on so that you can see an example. You can wear whatever you want, but on Tuesday when we get on Zooms, or you can send me a picture, I want to see some T-shirts with some hopeful messages. Wednesday is going to be window words. On Wednesday, I want you to put some words in your windows. You can make a picture. You can use window paint. If you already have some signs, like I found some signs that I can use. So like this is one sign I found on the wall. It actually says gather. Don't use that one because we're social distancing. So I found a different one to use. So I found this one. It says love. And this one that says faith. So I'm just going to put these up in my window, and then when people are walking and driving by, they'll see them, and hopefully that will give them some hope and make them persevere through the day. You can make your own sign if you want. Thursday is going to be chalk art Thursday. So on Thursday, I want you to get on your driveway, get in the street with your parents' permission, and write some messages on the street with chalk art related to hope. Could just be have a great day, we love you, whatever you want. Anything on Thursday related to chalk art. And then Friday is Freeform Friday, Timberwolves. On Friday, I want you to do whatever you want, but related to encouraging other people and making people feel good about the day. So that's your challenge. Don't forget, persevere through the day, and we cannot wait to see you guys again very soon. Take care, Timber Ridge.